What's up, guys? Tyher120 here, and I'm back with another video. Today is another unboxing video. Last week I unboxed the my new Xbox One controller. And I also got a game with it. I think I showed it. I don't remember. I got Borderlands, so that was pretty cool. Go check that out. I'll put that video in the description if you would like to see it, if you haven't. But today, I got my first ever PlayStation 4. I wanted one for years now. And for Black Friday on the Sony website, it was selling it for $199. The shipping was crazy, out of whack. It made no sense. I think me and my brother got Tuesday shipping, and it did not come in 2 days. More like 4, I believe. I think 4 days. But it came in today. So let's open this up and see what's in it. Well, clearly, as you can see, comes with 3 games: The Last of Us Remastered, God of War, and Horizon Zero Dawn Completed Edition. I heard of these games. I never played any of them. I may like this one. I may not like those. I'll try them all out, and if I don't like them, then I'll just give it to my brother. Let's see what else. 1 terabyte HDR display and content ready. Sony PlayStation 4. Wonderful. Jet Black Edition. And on the back, the best place to play PlayStation 4 system, incredible games, endless entertainment. Wonderful. What is that? One place plus God of War. Cool. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. No struggling in this video. I hope not. For I have already pre-cut the box. Yes. Oh. Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, scuffed. No biggie. No problem. I'm going to make some room. As you can see, my Xbox One, PlayStation 3, and PlayStation 2 there. The PlayStation 3 is my brother's. PlayStation 2 is mine. The only game I play on a PlayStation 3 is Black Ops 2, because I still like it. But if I could find a way to get all these on my Xbox One, or who knows, on my PlayStation 4, I'll play on there instead of on there. But during the set, we're gonna have to find a place to put it. Anyway, let's open this up. Oh, which way? Here it is. Oh God. Is it a double latch type thing? Or is it a single latch? Oh God. Did I open it backwards? Oh my goodness. I'm messing up already. Oh Lord. Oh, come on. Okay. Maybe soon I'll buy a whole new controller. A new PlayStation 4 controller. But here it is. No, the black PlayStation 4 controller. HDMI cord. Wall piece adapter. Controller charging cord. And the El Cheapo headphones. Alright. I reckon you can just flip it up. Woo! And woo, my goodness. Oh dear. Oh, it is a disc. Wicked. Wicked indeed. I thought it was all just gonna be digital. Nope. It's all disc. Okay. The manual. The disc for this. Over 200 games of the year. Awards 2014. And get the downloadable games here. And yeah. I don't think I'm gonna play this. I don't know. I had to find out. I'll see. It just doesn't look very entertaining, intriguing. It might surprise me, you know. Like, wow. I was thought so negative of it, and it was actually a good game, you know. But, ugh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. And it's so light. Oh, this is my second baby right here. Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, what is this? Is there not a coax cable in? I guess not. Alright. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. I'm gonna set it up and connect it to my TV. And I shall return once I did so. Alright, I got everything connected. Let me see if it'll automatically cut it on. Yeah, this is where my PlayStation 4, my PlayStation 3 was hooked up. Let's see if it'll automatically cut it on. It may not. Nope. Okay, in that case. Will it connect? No? Dang. This messed up. Alright then, fine. Ooh. Wow. Howdy. How are y'all? You okay? Wonderful. You know, just relaxing here, you know? Nothing more. You can see the the PlayStation 4 logos on my face, you know? Yeah. Oh. Sony. I wonder if the PlayStation knows that I have a Samsung TV. Oh. Alright then. Just gotta get this out. Oh, watch me struggle, everyone. Watch me struggle. Okay. One hand. Alright. Oh. Okay. I shall return. Be right back. Alright, I have it connected into the PlayStation. I'm connected to my remote. Hold on. Bear with me, y'all. Oh, dear. Alright. Hey! That's not English. Ah. Okay. Okay, English. Next. Are you kidding me? I forgot everything. Oh. Oh, I get my Wi-Fi password. Oh my god. I am so unprepared. I am so sorry, everyone. Wow. Alright. Be right back again. Alright. I have connected my Wi-Fi to it. I do not have a camera, therefore I cannot do that. So skip. Yes. Today is currently, oh Lord, the 7th. It is 12:40. 12:48. Wrong. Now that's right. Alright, what's this? Set the time until PS4. Let me turn off when you're not operating it. 1 hour. Uh, I'll change it later on. What is this? Select the features you want to use in rest mode. The more you select, the more power the PlayStation 4 will consume. The power ports, stay connected to the internet, enable, turning on, keep application, whatever. What's next? Okay. Everyone's accepts. Set up your PlayStation 4 is complete. Enjoy an exciting world of entertainment. I shall. Okay. Oh God. Of course. Of course there's an update. Okay. Oh my. Look at all that blue, y'all. Look at all the blue. Eh. It's pretty fast. You know, skipping a beat. Is it going back? Oh, 4, 6, 7, 8. Alright. I shall return once this update is completed. Alright, the update is now complete. Alright. Okay. Sign in PlayStation Network. I shall. And I shall return again. Alright. I just signed in. Read this. Your PlayStation Network sign in information has been saved on this PS4. When you log in to the PlayStation 4 next time, you'll be automatically signed in to PlayStation Network. Set a login passcode so that other people can't log into this PlayStation 4 as you. Go to okay, whatever. Okay, transfer data. What data will erase from the other PlayStation 4 even after data transfer is complete? Data will not be transferred. What? Data will not be. Okay, I'm about to say loading. Searching for PlayStation 4. Searching. I wonder if my brother's PlayStation has to be open for this. This might take a while. Well, with help from my brother, I got everything set up. I did not need to do transfer, apparently, but everything is seeming set up. beforehand. I purchased Grand Theft Auto. I have downloaded, put in the disc for Last of Us. That's about it. I do not have PlayStation Plus yet. We'll be getting that. Other than that, that's about it. That's my unboxing and setup of my first ever and brand new out of box PlayStation 4. I hope you guys and girls like this video. And if you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Like I said in the other videos, I usually would post either videos or other content on my Facebook account. I'm sorry for talking so I'm a little tired. You could follow that account at TyHair120 on Facebook. And that's it. So I will see you guys in the next video. TyHair120 out. Ooh. Peace.